Hey, Uptown Swing, level
Hello.
1.
Peter, Maddie.
I just touched my face. Okay, here we go. So we did reviewing the reverse promenade. Rock, ba, 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 boop, and then we tried a Lindy circle. We did rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Kind of followers hanging out. Leaders doing the first part. Leaders, remember to get that zoom. Rock, step, zoom on the first triple step. On the Lindy circle, I tend to step a little in front. Then we worked on a swing out very gradually. We did rock, step, triple step. I'm going this way, kind of like a reverse promenade, but I step behind myself. And actually, I'm going to let Maddie go straight this time. Step, step, triple step. So when we do this, this is sort of one way you can swing out. We've practiced this a couple times, having the followers face a little front. And then we had the leaders try turning the followers around, so they hold on a little bit longer. And leaders, you turn your body around on 5, 6, so you face each other the whole time. That's more commonly what we do. Either one is fine. So we'll try that second one again. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Then we put it all together so we circle from out there. You just gotta come together followers. You might not rock step, you might just step, step. Right there, step, step, triple step. You're coming right around. So if you can do this and get it anywhere close, get some practice. We'll see you all next week, and everything's gonna be great. Yeah!